Now, 2 days before Prime Minister Modi's all-party meet with Jammu and Kashmir parties, this will happen in the national capital. There's a key huddle of the Gupkar Alliance, which will happen today in Srinagar to decide on participation in the meeting. This meeting will be chaired by National Conference Chief and MP Dr. Farooq Abdullah. All 6 political parties which are part of the Gupkar Alliance will come together to chalk out their strategy. Farooq Abdullah had told India Today earlier that they will decide on participation in this outreach from the centre after negotiations and consultations with other leaders of the Gupkar Alliance on the invitation. Sources tell India Today that the PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti is reluctant currently to join the meeting in person. This despite the fact that 2 of her party leaders were released also from detention.
Politics is in the air again in Jammu and Kashmir. All eyes are on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's all-party meeting on Thursday to strengthen the political processes. The initiative by the PM could signal an end to 2 years of political stalemate and uncertainty in Jammu and Kashmir. There is much speculation that the process to give full statehood may begin. But parties in the valley don't expect much. They will be meeting on Tuesday to take a final stand on the PM's invite to the meeting.
They have got this realization. It's a good change. The realization that they can't do without the mainstream. As much and how much you can demonize the mainstream of Jammu and Kashmir, you can't do without it.
People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration की एक मीटिंग होनी है. उसमें भी इस मसले को डिस्कस किया जाएगा. जो PAGD के अलग-अलग मेंबरान हैं वो अपनी उस पे राय देंगे.
PM's invitation to the 16 major parties has left smaller political stakeholders disappointed.
हम इसका स्वागत करते हैं कि अब सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने दिल्ली में मीटिंग बुलाई है. हालांकि हमें पता नहीं कि एजेंडा क्या है. अगर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के लीडर बुलाने थे, रिकग्नाइज्ड पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के बुलाने थे, तो फिर जम्मू और कश्मीर के रिकग्नाइज्ड पॉलिटिकल लीडर पार्टीज के लीडर ही बुलाने चाहिए थे.
जवाब दो, जवाब दो, पुकार गैंग जवाब दो.
There were in protests from some sections in Jammu who felt that they have been ignored.
पुकार गैंग जवाब दो, पुकार गैंग जवाब दो.
Here in Jammu region, smaller political parties are upset with the union government and they have accused the Modi government of ignoring the Jammu region. They feel that Jammu will remain underrepresented in that all-party meeting as most of the leaders who have been invited are from the Kashmir Valley.
It was up to the wisdom of the Prime Minister and the PMO whom they wanted to call, whom they didn't want to call. But I have a very clear-cut question to the people who have been invited in there, especially to the Gupkar people. The people who abrogated the Article 370, they're not going to give it back to you. So you are supposed to make your stand clear.
BJP leaders tried to diffuse speculations that the PM's meeting was first step towards reviving the political process in the state.
There are so many issues, internal issues and external issues, and there are even many political issues of the various political parties. All these issues could be discussed in that meeting, though we don't have any specific agenda for that meeting.
But the PM's invite has charged up the atmosphere in Jammu and Kashmir. Mainstream political activity is back. After all, the buzz is that after delimitation, Jammu and Kashmir is headed for elections. With Sunil Ji Bhatt in Jammu, Bureau Report, India Today.